Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to get dice in Monopoly Go. First of all, open up the Monopoly Go game. After opening the game, tap to collect your daily treats. You can get the free dice from your daily treats. Then, from another offer, you can purchase the dice. Also, you can get endless abundance by unlocking each pack to reveal more. Now tap on the Net Worth Upgrades icon from the top left corner. You can see complete the levels and get a chance to win dice. The other is to contact your friends or invite them in Monopoly, then you will get the dice in reward. Or complete your daily task and keep playing the game and win free dice. Last thing you can do is to purchase the dice. Thank you very much for watching and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.